Well, look at all the chert that I have. Chert. C-H-E-R-T. Chert. Sometimes contains small fossilized marine bones from sea anemones and such. Yes, yes, yes. Look at all the chert. Oh, look at the chert. This is nothing more, I was told, than limestone with a little chert. Here's a chert. And, oh, yes, it's chert. And that's not anything. This is common, very, very common chert. Oh yes, that's a very common chert also. Indeed it is. Yes. Chert with a spinal column. Yes, sometimes chert does have miniature pieces of marine bone, and it's chert. And calcite. Oh yes, that's not chert. That's calcite. See the calcite right there? That's calcite. That's chert and calcite. Chert. Oh, it's chert. Did you ever notice how it's chert? It's chert. Yes, it's chert. It's shirt. Look at all the shirt. Look at all the shirt. It's all shirt. With a little bit of calcite in it. And some marine sea anemones, which got all it's chert. It's chert. That's just chert. It's nothing more than chert. It's chert. See the chert? And the calcite. Oh no, that's limestone. Oh yes, it's limestone cherts.